Hello guys, welcome everyone. Thank you for watching my video. In this video, we will briefly discuss how can we determine the axis of the heart using EKG. Before going to discuss the EKG for determining of axis of the heart, let's review the few basic facts about the conduction system of the heart. The electrical activity of the heart is normally generated in the SA node. Electrical impulse travels down the conduction system, reaches AV node, and then bundle of His, and then is distributed to the ventricles by bundle branches. The depolarization of the atria produces T wave, and the delay at AV node is reflected in the form of PR interval, and the depolarization of the ventricles is shown by the QRS complexes. Let's talk about a few basic assumptions when we interpret the axis of EKG. While determining the axis, we assume that lead 1 is directed towards the left side of the heart and it is at 0-degree angle. The axis of the other leads is determined by keeping the lead 1 at 0-degree as a reference. Lead 2 is at 60-degree angle from lead 1 in a clockwise direction, and lead 3 is at 120-degree angle from lead 1 in a clockwise direction. Lead AVF is directed inferiorly from lead 1 and it is at 90-degree angle from lead 1. Lead AVL is at 30-degree angle from lead 1 but in an anti-clockwise direction. So its angle is considered minus 30-degree, meaning that it is a 30-degree angle but in an anti-clockwise direction. Lead AVR is at 210-degree angle from lead 1 in a clockwise direction. From the electrical axis of the heart, we mean the predominant direction of spread of electrical activity of the heart. Because in a normal adult, under normal circumstances, the left ventricle has the thickest myocardium. Therefore, the direction of electrical activity of the heart is predominantly towards the left ventricle, which is left inferior. So under normal circumstances, if the direction of electrical activity of the heart is left inferior, then we expect that it produces maximum positive QRS complex in lead 1 and also predominantly positive QRS complex in lead AVF, like we see here. So in normal circumstances, if the axis of the heart is left inferior, then lead 1 will show predominantly positive QRS complex and lead AVF will also show predominantly positive QRS complex. If